This is Mary. Mary likes her job, but she is very busy. Mary has many tasks and often works overtime to keep up. She needs to coordinate with the sales team and the suppliers, as well as send reports to her boss and keep all the important documents organized. This is Mary's boss, Jeff. Jeff's job is to help the company grow. Jeff is also very busy. He has many meetings scheduled, reports to read, and he has to hire and train new people. Both Mary and Jeff struggle to keep up with all their tasks. Jeff also worries about losing all their data. What would happen then? They both wonder, is there a better way? Enter Brian from Soho Network Solutions, their IT consultant. We recommend you migrate to Microsoft 365, he says. Mary and Jeff want to know more. With Microsoft 365, you are able to work together better. You will get increased productivity, access anywhere on any device that you have internet, enhanced security, your apps are always up to date, and OneDrive cloud storage for data backup. Microsoft 365 is convenient and allows you to work from anywhere, anytime. With Sharepoint and Teams, you can access documents and collaborate with employees, clients, managers, and more. You are in control. This sounds good, says Jeff, but isn't it only for the big companies? No, says Brian. Microsoft 365 is scalable and is perfect for any size business. Mary likes this, but wonders where they will find the time to implement it all. Worry not, says Brian. Soho Network Solutions specializes in Microsoft 365 migrations and will work with you and your staff to coordinate the best time to migrate. It doesn't matter if you have one computer or your company has many computers and servers. We have a process that works through the migration and performs the setup methodically. We make it hassle-free for your business. That sounds great, says Jeff. When can you start? This is Mary and Jeff. They are very happy they called Soho Network Solutions and migrated to Microsoft 365. The business is running better than ever. They are working smarter, not harder. Thank you, Soho Network Solutions. Migrating to Microsoft 365 means moving your organization's email and other data, such as documents and calendars, from your current system to the Microsoft 365 cloud. If you would like to learn more about migrating to Microsoft 365, give us a call, 717-831-8128, or visit our website at sohonetworksolutions.com.